Logging out of your Twitter account is simple and easy. First, open the Twitter app or website. Once you're on the homepage, tap your profile icon located at the top left of the screen if you're using the mobile app. For desktop users, click your profile icon at the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, look for Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and tap or click on Logout. Confirm the action, and you'll be logged out of your Twitter account. That's it! You've successfully logged out of Twitter, and you can log in again whenever you'd like.